Did it snow outside today? Did it snow outside today, Neville? Yo, what we're about to go do?
Huh?
Snowed out. Let's go do this. Oh no, no, Ollie! Ollie! Do not take a rebel run. Well, why did you say yeah, Chaz? As I expected him to do that. All right, well, let's get going. Today marks the first official like snow day of the year, and at first we were like, all right, we're just gonna call it today a wash. We're not gonna film, but no. We are not gonna do that. We are 100% gonna film. I think Big Scott BMX just got home because this is plowed. We're taking El Blanco Diablo to the bike shop right now, and I'm gonna grab a rope and a tube, and we're just gonna try to have as much fun as possible in one little session. Yo, I have an idea. What? Let's see how this golf cart does in the snow. Let's try it. Very curious. I got my Vans MT Eons right now, the Mountain Edition ones. All right, let's do this. Get in, Matt.
Okay.
Oh, you driving? Oh. Jesus, take the wheel. Well, I really hope Maddie's not my Jesus, because then I'm done. And Big Scott BMX is here! With the plow. All right, well, start some. Oh, we're already drifting! We're already drifting! Hold on, hold your fire! Hold your fire!
I can't see anything. Literally nothing. Hey, it's pretty good.
Dude, it does really good in the snow.
It doesn't really drift too good.
Yeah, well, I think we gotta go faster to get the drift.
Max speed! We need goggles, guys.
We really do, dude.
Ready?
We're drifting it? Rip D. Yeah, that didn't work. All right.
It does do a sick burnout, though.
It does do a really nice burnout. Oh no, not off-roading. Ooh. Oh, no, Matt. You're sick. You are sick.
Can't see anything.
Oh, trampoline's there still.
Absolutely nothing.
All right, let's park this bad boy. Oh. All right. I hit the ball. Dude. Oh no, Matt! Yes. Yes. Ah! Oh no! Oh no! 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 That was a massive failure. I ended up just hitting my nougats directly on a pole. I screamed, Matt, stop! Matt, stop!
I didn't stop.
There was no stopping this man.
Stop, guys.
He was on a mission. We just rolled up to the bike shop, and there's no one here because we closed the bike shop early today, and we just realized that there's a lot of trees in the back. So when we try to do this, if that little pole took me out at the house, I think it's gonna be a really big tree that takes me out. The only thing I'm worried about right now too is El Blanco Diablo over here gets crashed into a tree by El Blanco Little Diablo over there.
Come on, dude.
El Blanco Diablo over here, man. It's got some horsepower, baby. He's got that 5.7.
All right, don't get ahead of yourself.
It's got that 5.7.
Don't get ahead of yourself.
All right, we need to figure out a way to shorten up the rope. It's definitely gonna make for a good time. I'm gonna let you know you're getting to go in here at some point too.
No.
Yep. Yes. I don't know how you're wearing those shoes right now.
I had like 4 pairs of socks on.
Let me just see how I look with these bad boys. Ooh, man, you didn't hold out on me.
Take care of them.
Take that. Perfect. Oh man, I feel like $1,000,000. Good. Go. Alright, so far so good. Yeah. I really don't know how this GoPro sounds because it's got a case around it, but I'm hoping, yeah. Good. Go. Alright, so far so good. Oh, yeah. My knee. Yup.
Would you smack it on the ground?
Oh yeah.
You
Oh God. I can't see anything right now. God, thank you for coming.
You alright, bud? Don't worry, just rub it out. Rub the pain out. Go ahead. Great work. Dude, you look cool though, if it helps. You look kind of like the abominable snowman. Yeah, boy! I have no goggles. I have no goggles at all. I got nothing, guys. Look at this! Look at this! I got nothing! This is good, guys.
Go.
No STI needed.
You don't need it anymore. We got this bad boy.
We got El Blanco.
El Blanco Diablo gets it right done. All right, Matt, I got an idea. Since you were so nice today to join me on these snow adventures, I'm gonna take you to go get some hot chocolate. So I originally talked to Scotty and he was like, yo, you should do it, BMX race on the track. But we got a lot more
like
snow.
A foot, guys.
Yeah, we got a lot more snow than we
Literally
expected.
at like a foot.
We got a lot more snow. Warm in here, but it's cold outside. It's warm in here, but it's cold outside. Have a good one. Drive safe. Yes. All right.
Delicious.
All right, we'll check back with you guys and we'll get to the house.
Hey, Big Scott BMX. And she gone.
Looks pretty cool, dude.
Everything good over there, champ? on, Chassis, bring her home, bro.
I'm trying to find out where we're at.
Well, it's alright. It's probably
That's
lost
the house.
anyway.
That's the house.
Dude, you took her out in a blizzard. Land on the hood of the truck. On the roof of the truck. Woo! You're so sketchy. Yeah! That's pretty good. You just dropped it for like 4 feet.
Also, I was like 3 seconds, like 3, 2, 1, boom.
Time it, boom.
Alright, it's too cold for us right now.
That's cool.
Alright, guys. That's gonna be it for our snowy day.
No way. No way.
You wanna get the other thing?
You gotta do it. How can you not do it?
What do you want us to do? You tell what you want us to
I
do.
think that you guys ought to go in a hot tub.
Okay.
Go out of the hot tub, roll in the snow.
Okay.
Back in the hot tub.
He called it out, we gotta do
You are
it.
sick in the
Gotta
head.
do it.
He called it out, we have to do it.
You
Your
are
dad called it out, we
sick.
have to do it. There's no choice.
Not do it.
Listen, we used his property today to film this. We used his toys today to film this.
For his hospital bills, don't you make him do that.
Oh, he'll be fine.
Do you like frostbite?
Alright, let's do it. We'll do it. Alright, let's do this. Never been more excited in my life.
up, hot tub session.
Alright, yeah, that's nice and warm.
All right, we're done. Great work, everyone.
That's good and warm. Alright, so it already stings right now. So I can only imagine how bad it's gonna sting.
How's the souls?
Alright,
This is what we do out here, guys. You get warm after a nice snowy day, and then you just gotta ruin it.
there's no shot. Oh my god. Watch out. This guy. That was a great idea. That was a real good idea. Gotta get our backsides too. Roll. Back. Oh! Alright. Everybody go follow at Big Scott being next to this beautiful idea. That's gonna be it for this one. Remember to subscribe and peace.